panibagong video. So maglalaro nga pala tayo ng The Dentist Experience. Kasama natin yung mga kaibigan ko. Tara na! Chapter 1, Teeth.
Welcome to your first
night of dental works.
We're at competition with the
We're at
barbershop
competition
across
with
the
the
street.
barbershop up across the street.
They're working for 4 days straight.
They're working for
We're
4
doing
days
the
straight.
same.
We're doing the same.
Today, I need you to take care of the dental office.
Makikita nyo sa clip na yun na nawala yung kasama naming isa kasi na-disconnect siya. Yun lang.
Dental office.
Take their appointments down here.
Take their appointments down here.
Then, brush their
Then,
teeth in these
brush their teeth in this one. Dentist pala tayo dito eh.
Also, don't go near this room. I think it's haunted.
Take client's appointment daw. Uy! Si Mr. Beast. Gulat ako. Gulat ako. Brush niya na. Brush client's teeth. Ikaw na mag-brush dan. Mr. Beast yan. Mr. Beast pala to eh. Bigyan natin ng ano. Bibigyan tayo ng pera niyan.
You're a professional.
You're a professional.
Now go sanitize
Now
the
go
tools.
sanitize the stools. Asan yung tools? Toothbrush. Ito, dito.
Good work. I'm proud.
Good work. I'm proud. Sino ba yung boss natin? Nang suspicious naman ng boss natin.
Now go to the bathroom.
Now go to the bathroom. Saan yung bathroom? Ito. Huh! Gulot ako. What the heck?
This will be
Ipin
you
ni
in
ano
a
yan,
couple
ni
days.
AJ. This will be
Toothless.
you in couple days. Toothless. Are you okay, boss? Ang dilim. Flashlight! Merong flashlight tayo.
Never been better.
Never been better. Lo, dito yung... Di mabuksan yung pinto. Pick up the teeth daw. Ako na. Ayun na, nakuha na pala. Wonder whose teeth these are. Kaya pala ganyan yung mukha mo, Dan. Ano? Check dental history. So, records na to, single record. Weird. Siguro tinanggal ng pastisong yan, no?
Get back to work. There's
Yung
people
may-ari
in the
ng
front.
pastiso, no? There's people in the front. May meron na tayong customer. Ba't bawal tayo lumabas? Oh! Gulat ako. Wala akong Robux. Bibili, magpapa-clean yan, bibili. Kaya ako na magpa-brush ng teeth niya. Page. Brush client's teeth. Brush ko na yung ipin mo, ma'am. O kaya gusto mo ng libreng postiso, ma'am, na dugdugo nga lang. Ba't kang makit dyan? Ano? Merong Robux lagi, ah.
Good work.
Good work. Boss. What happened earlier to you? Ito yung
What
oras,
do you
oh.
mean?
What do you mean? Parang may magja-jumpscare. You said my teeth would fall out. Sa barbershop yan, ah.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't me. Huh? Lo. Oh. Weird. Lo. What was that? Dan, Ge, tago na ako. Go investigate the noise. Investigate pa natin. Ano ng baril na yun eh. Grab wrench from front desk. Ge, ako nakakuha. Dito na ako eh. Oh. Fix gas leak. Bilis, bilis. Bilis, bilis! Bilis! Wag kong yung ngarangan. Di ko
Look at you
Yan.
working hard.
Look at you working hard. Parang suspicious talaga yung boss. You can take a break. Kalaro ko lang din na ito eh. Night 2, the dumpster.
Good work last night.
Good work last night.
Today, I need you to clean
Today I
the
need you to
chairs.
clean the chairs. Grab the disinfector. Disinfector pala to? Kala ko alcohol. Ay, parehas lang ba yun? Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth. Bye-bye,
Your
ma'am.
teeth are shining.
Their teeth are shining. Siguro ano?
Hey, I need you
Hey.
to come out back.
I need you to come out
I got
back.
some crazy news.
I got some crazy news. Uy, tara, sama-sama tayo. Talk to boss by the dumpster. Ba't sa dumpster kami makikita? Basuran. Talk to boss. Ba't bawal naman? Ay, dito ata. Dito, dito, dito. Ayun na yung exit. Para si boss ba yan, par? Ba't ganyan yung mukha niya? Parang baliw. Boss, okay ka, boss?
Hey man, thanks for
Hey.
coming out back.
Thanks for coming out back. Boss, ba't namumula mata mo, boss? What's so important, Mr. Boss? Baka sa kanyang pustiso yun.
Well,
Well, ay, ba't ganyan? Ba't ganyan?
I'm gonna pull your teeth
I'm gonna
out.
pull your teeth out.
You're gonna be toothless
You're gonna be toothless
forever.
forever. Wag! Mahal ko pang ipin ko. Run to your car by barbershop. Kotse nga. Takbo! Bilisan nyo, ang bagal. Dito na, bilis! Dito, pasok dito! Bilisan nyo! Ah!
What do you think you're doing?
What do you think you're doing? Ang bilis mo naman! Go back inside the office. Boss! Bugbugin kita eh. Thing is off. That did not seem like boss. We love boss. Boss of month. I know something is off. Investigate the boss photo. Ba't namumula? The real boss. We love boss. Nga ano? Kalbo yung totoo nating boss. Boss! What the heck happened to our real boss? Baka buhok talaga ni boss yun. Naging kalbo siguro. Was that from do not enter room? Asan yun yung do not enter? Try opening the door. Open na. Shoot, the door is locked. Jay, mauna ka, Jay! Eh, di ka makikita niyan. What the heck is down there? Night 3. Do not enter.
I'm terribly disappointed
I'm
in you.
terribly and I'm terribly disappointed. I'm
Never
terribly
leave again.
disappointed to you.
Or
Never leave
I
again,
will pull out all
I
your
will pull
teeth.
out all of your teeth. Tatlo naman tayo, eh, di bugbugin natin yun.
Anyways, get back to work.
Always get back to work. Take client's appointment. You again, ma'am. Ding, 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 ding. Walang thank you man lang, no? I'm so confused with boss. He's not the real one. But I don't remember much. Eh, ba't ka nag-apply kung hindi mo alam kung sino boss mo? I need to do research on him. Research about the boss history. Research yun na dito sa computer. Parang ang late naman natin.
Kaya pala na nasabi ko na maliit kami dyan kasi ang laki ng pinagpapatungan ng computer.
Local bus owner reported missing, no one knows. What the heck? It says he's been gone missing for 6 days. 6 days lang? Weird. I need to stop him.
Hey
Ano to ba
you,
yun?
I need
Hey
you
you,
to throw away the
I need you to
documents.
throw away the documents. Ito? Ito nga. Okay, ano yun na? Ganda pala to, inatakos eh. Wala nga ako Robux, ang kulit mo. Throw documents away out back. Sa ano? Ito, sa dumpster baka naman ayan, doon pala. Hindi kunin natin tong baril kahit may Robux. Bayaran na lang natin.
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce. Sauce? Ito. Huh! Ano yun? What the heck is going on? Siguro tinorture niya yung boss natin, no? I'm unlocking that door, no? Tinorture na. Grab the special key. Saan yung special key? Dito sa ano? Sa staff only. Kunin mo na, Dan. Nakuha mo na? Unlock the mysterious door. Oo nga, ito nga.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? Ba't parang ang
That's
lit?
it.
That's it.
I'm pulling your teeth
I'm
out
pulling
if you
your
don't
teeth
leave.
out if you don't leave.
You
Okay nga.
have 5 seconds
You
to
have
start
5 seconds
running.
to start running. Objective 3. Uy, tumakbo na, bakit ganyan? Run to the front. Takbo, bilis! Bilis! Ah! Ah! Uy, si boss! Uy, si boss! Paano buksan? Night 4. Unmasking devil. Kinakabahan ako. I shouldn't have came back. Uy! Gulat ako. Oo nga. I'm going to uncover this imposter. Balik mo yung boss natin! Turn on the power. Saan yung power? Uy, samahan niyo ako. Kailangan natin i-turn on yung power. Jay, di kita makita, Jay! Ang dilim. Ay, ito ka pala. Ang tapang. Nice one. Gulat ako.
You shouldn't have come back.
You shouldn't have come back. Pwede naman na kami lumabas-bas ah.
I locked you inside.
I lock you
Now
inside.
You can
Eh,
never
nasa
leave.
labas na kami. Sa labas na tayo.
Now, get to work.
Now, get to work. Nasa labas na kami. Lo! Take client's appointment. Kala ko ba nilak mo kami? Eh, paano nila nabuksan to, no? Kung nakalak? Sabihan natin siya, tas tumawag siya ng polis. Uy! 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 Not enter. Ha? Ba't- Parang hindi nga eh, sa kabilang pintuan siya eh. Nakita mo? Dito siya pumasok oh. Knock on the door. Boss? Are you guys good? That's it. I'm coming in. Naglalag kayo. Break down the door. Boom! A basement. Ito baril! Investigate around. Ito si boss oh, tulog. He's asleep.
Help!
Help. Real boss. Ito si boss oh! Yung kalbo.
It's me, boss. I know you
It's
don't
me.
remember me.
Boss, I know you don't remember me. Baka ni-wipe out niya nga
But
yung
I'm the real
ano
boss.
natin, but I'm the real
You
boss.
have to
No?
believe me.
You have to believe me.
He wiped your memory with that ray gun.
You wipe your memory with that ray gun.
Please, free me.
Please, free me. Oo na! Alam namin, nakita namin yung picture mo. Attempt to escape and leave the real boss behind. Wipe evil boss memory and save the real boss. Tara na, dito na tayo. Save na natin siya. Oh, wipe evil boss memory. And save the real boss. Final decision. Wipe evil boss memory. Woke up the devil boss and erase his memory. Erase his memory daw. Bulaga! Patay ka. You got wipe evil boss memory ending. You wipe evil boss memory and you save the real boss. Mom, your party will be teleported to the lobby together shortly. Yay! Doon ko na pala tatapusin ng video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. At kung nag-enjoy nga kayo, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye-bye!
Whoa! Whoa! Everybody was kung fu fighting. I become fast as lightning. Although the future is a little bit frightening. It's the book of your life that you're writing.